Hello everyone, introducing Build a Garden Lovely Rose Peony with a large outline image, a vase, and lots of sentiments. We're going to look at the layering guide. There's a stencil available and two full-size card examples inside, which you'll see right here on the left. If you open the flap again on the back, you're going to be able to see all of the supplies used to create the projects that have been shown. In the center, you see the ink shown to create the finished image for the flowers and vase. You'll also notice those colors throughout the stencils as you work through the stencils for both the vase and the flowers. It also indicates when the stamp set was used in the layering guide for you to help you out to know which is stamp and which is stencil. Next, we'll have a look at the stencil that comes with your set. It is a 4-piece simple coloring stencil set. You will also receive a mini ink blending tool. And for an additional purchase in the store this month, there is an add-on die set that'll cut the outline image as well as the bolded sentiments on the stamp set. Let's go ahead and start creating. We'll complete the flower image first, starting with stencil number 1. We'll begin with A1 Rose Quartz, using a mini ink blending tool. We will adjust the stencil, still on stencil 1, section A2 this time, and this time we will be going ahead and using Cosmic Berry. Such a beautiful, bold color. Next, we're going to move to stencil number 2, A3, and for that, we're going to go ahead and use Puffy Heart to fill in these petals. Once that is complete, we'll adjust stencil 2 so we line up section A4, and there are etchings to help you align this. And we'll finish the flower with the beautiful purple wine color. For the flower centers, we'll stay on stencil 2, section A5, and we'll use Citrus Burst. Next, we're going to move to stencil number 3. We're going to begin with B1 and Forest Glades ink for the first section of the leaves. Next, we'll adjust and we'll go to section B2. For that, we will be using Evergreen, such a beautiful bold green. Really makes those pinks pop in that beautiful arrangement that we've done. And finally, on stencil 3, we will do B3, and that will be in our lightest color, the frayed leaf. Next, we'll move on to our vase, which is on stencil 4, C1. And for that, we're going to be using the pumpkin pie color. And be careful because those pieces are delicate, so you may want to hold them with a pair of tweezers or your fingernail to get a good impression. Next, on stencil 4, we'll align C2 into place, and we'll be using butternut for that layer. Once that's complete, on stencil 4, C3, and that will be with yellow ochre, and that will finish our blending. Next, you'll see some inspiration from our fabulous designers. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Build a Garden Lovely Rose Peony. To find out more about Build a Garden Lovely Rose Peony and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.